Hey you guys, it's Lexi aka Lexionnabeat again here today with another one. Welcome back to my channel, everybody. If you are new here, hi, my name is Lexi. If you're a returning subscriber, hey guys, I missed y'all. Today y'all, I'm gonna be talking about this hair right here. Okay, it's bomb. I love it. This is actually like probably one of my favorite wigs right now, honestly. Like, I love this hair. So this hair is from a company that I found on Amazon. You know, we're still doing the baddie on the budget thing, okay? We're still doing that. I want something long and different because I did the whole curly hair thing. I did the whole like water wave thing, and that was like a whole trend from like 2020 up, probably like 2019 up. Like the water wave was what everybody wanted, but I was just like, I want something like different, not like a curl, but I want it wavy but kind of curly. And I was like, what about deep wave, right? So I was like, let me see how deep wave looks. Let me try it out, right? So I went on YouTube and I see that. I was like, I think that's cute. I think that's more of what I'm looking for, you know? So I went on Amazon, of course, and I found this company on there called Percurl. I don't know, it'll be on the screen. It'll also be down below in the description box. Honestly, with everything going on in the US right now, I don't think nobody gonna waste their money. You know what I'm saying? Nobody just want to be buying hair and wasting their money. So I was like, all right, I made the video, cool. I'm gonna hold on to that video. I actually want to wear this hair before I go ahead and put the video out there, and then I can give a better review of my experience. You know what I mean? So April 11th, I installed the hair, and it is now April 19th. So I wore the hair straight for a week and a day, which I know isn't very long, but it is way better than wearing the hair straight out the pack. So I've washed this hair, I went swimming in this hair, I have conditioned this hair, I have slept in this hair, I have not combed this hair at times. Like, I put this hair through a lot. I've went to sleep actually a few times without a bonnet or anything on my head, and actually that was an accident. But the hair is still so pretty. So I'm just like, okay, I think it's time for the video. The hair had no smell. The hair is true to length. My frontal was even true to length. So make sure you stay tuned to the end of the video so you can get all the details and the price on the hair. And I'll see you guys after it.
Feel that heat, and we can ride the boogie, share that heat of love. I wanna ride the Ooh. broken up. You know the feelings deep inside. So what's you? What we been through? I miss you. And you. I wake from my slumber. I wish I could call you up. Miss how you'd put your love on me. Boy, you got my number. Wish I could feel your touch. Wish I could
second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying, you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room, perfume, go, go.
I recognize your fragrance, hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit, and I know your taste is a little bit, high maintenance, everybody else basic, you live life on an everyday basis, with poetic justice, if I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs, dedicated to you when you're in the mood for empathy, there's blood in my pen, better yet with your friends and them, I really wanna know you all, I really wanna show you off. Fuck God, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga that ain't good game home is sorry. They say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S.
She in her mood, like damn, she in her mood, like damn, she in her mood.
Alright y'all, so I hope you enjoyed that install. It was very quick and simple and easy install. So I bleached the knots on this hair, and then I also plucked it a little bit. I didn't pluck it too much because I just was like, I don't feel like it. Honestly, it's your preference, but for me, I really didn't pluck it a whole lot. I do get a few strands here and there when I'm wetting the hair or washing the hair, which is pretty normal for texture hair. So that is a thing that I noticed. And then another thing that I noticed is like right at the very like last track near the nape area, I noticed that when I wouldn't like do nothing to the hair, like wet it or whatever, like it'd get like a tad bit like tangled right here, but only in this like little area right here. The rest of the hair is completely fine. I mean, you could check it up as curly hair, it does it, or you could check it up as, I don't know, you know what I'm saying? It didn't bother me at all though. All I did was run my fingers through it and it was loose. Y'all, so this hair is the Deep Wave 13x4 HD transparent lace. This is not transparent lace. This is definitely high quality normal lace, but it's not like normal lace, but it's not transparent lace either. 180% density, and then it's 28 inches long. So y'all, the total for this hair was $185. That is good because it is under $200, and then it's pretty good quality hair, so I think it was worth it. Yeah, y'all, I really like this hair. Like, it's just been giving me vibes. Like, it's been giving me the vibes I need. Like, it's been giving me a lot of vibes, like a lot. And then, like, y'all can see the hair is just like, it's a nice amount. Like, it's not too thick and it's not too like thin, you know what I'm saying? Like, I've even worn it like with the wet look, without the wet look. Like, right now it's like dry, it's completely dry, but I did add like a little bit of mousse in it earlier, so the curls are like kind of, I don't want to say stuck, but they're together like this. Most of them are like all like together. Does that make sense? I don't know. And one more thing, you guys, I do have a Poshmark that I am going to be putting things onto. Right now I only have one thing on my Poshmark, but I would be adding, like, you know, more stuff by the time I put this video up. And everything I'm adding on there right now so far is going to be brand new things that are never wore. They're just here, and I'm just like, here you go, you know. But if there is anything on there that's like used or whatever, of course it will be on there, listed on there, and you would know. Hey, you guys, make sure you check out my Poshmark. Everything is going to be linked down below. And also I did make a new Instagram account. It's Lexi, you can put the @ Lexionnabeat. Very dry. It has like 1 follower, but hey, we're a work in progress. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. More videos coming soon. I noticed that a lot of people like my nail video. I should get back into nails. I am getting better at doing nails myself, so I might throw a few more nail videos up there. That's the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you soon. What was I about to whisper? I don't know. I'm happy to be back.